Hi there, how's it going? Today we are going to talk about something that can truly change your life, how to save $5,000 quickly. While this might seem like a lot, with the right strategies, it's completely doable. This isn't about winning the lottery or getting lucky. It's about discipline, smart planning, and small changes that add up over time. Ready to take control of your finances? Let's get started. The first step to saving money is understanding where you stand financially. Take a moment to sit down with a pen and paper, or open a spreadsheet. Ask yourself some critical questions. How much money do I make each month? Where exactly is my money going? Most people don't know the answers to these questions. And that's why they struggle to save for 1 month. Track everything you spend, from big bills to that quick coffee you grab on the way to work. You might be shocked to see how much is slipping through your fingers. Once you've got a clear picture, it's time to make some changes. Start by cutting unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your subscriptions. Do you really use all those streaming services? Can you eat out less often? Even small changes like making your coffee at home instead of buying it every day can make a big difference. Let's say you spend $5 a day on coffee. That's $150 a month, almost $2,000 a year. Making small sacrifices now can lead to big rewards later. If cutting back isn't enough, it's time to think about boosting your income. What skills or resources do you have that you can monetize? Maybe it's picking up a side hustle like freelancing, babysitting, or driving for a rideshare service. You could also sell items you no longer use, like old electronics, clothes, or furniture. Every extra dollar you earn gets you closer to your goal. One of the most effective ways to save is through automation. This is a game changer. Set up your bank account to automatically transfer a portion of your paycheck into a separate savings account. This could be 10%, 15%, or whatever you can afford. The key is that it happens automatically, so you don't even have to think about it. It's like paying yourself first. You'll be amazed at how quickly your savings grow when the process is on autopilot. Another important tip is to break your savings goal into smaller, manageable chunks. Saving $5,000 might seem overwhelming, but if you divide it over 6 months, you only need to save about $833 per month, or roughly $28 per day. If you stretch it over a year, that's just $416 per month, or around $14 a day. Think about it. Can you find a way to save $14 a day? Maybe it's skipping that takeout meal or canceling an impulse purchase. Breaking the goal into smaller steps makes it much easier to tackle. Now, let's talk about how to control those spending impulses before you buy something. Ask yourself, do I really need this right now? Use the 30-day rule. When you are tempted to make a non-essential purchase, wait 30 days. If after that time you still feel it's worth it, go ahead and buy it. But in most cases, you'll realize you didn't really need it, and you'll have saved that money instead. Another powerful mindset shift is to understand the future value of money. Every dollar you save today can grow into much more over time. For example, if you invest $2,500 today in a solid low-cost index fund, it could grow to $6,500 in 10 years. Saving isn't just about denying yourself now. It's about giving your future self more options and freedom. And let's not forget the emotional side of saving. We often spend money to feel better or impress others. But ask yourself, is it worth it? The quickest way to save money is to stop buying things you don't need to impress people who don't matter. Focus on what's truly important to you and let go of the rest. Finally, remember that saving money is a journey, not a sprint. It might feel tough at first, but every small step you take gets you closer to your goal. Celebrate your progress, whether it's saving your first 100 or hitting the halfway mark. Stay consistent, stay patient, and you will get there. So, to recap, saving $5,000 quickly is all about understanding your finances, cutting unnecessary expenses, finding ways to earn more, automating your savings, breaking down your goal, and staying focused on the bigger picture. You can do this. Just start today and watch how these small changes transform your financial future. Take control of your money and build the life you deserve. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.